Hello, everyone. Get ready, America, for a wild ride through epic crashes and close calls. From rogue tricycles to trains gone haywire, we're diving into the craziest chaos on wheels. Subscribe now and buckle up. This is your front row ticket to the madness unfolding right before your eyes. Ho Chi Minh. City streets are buzzing with 12,021 wild incidents rocking the chaos charts. A train seconds from crashing. A total wreck barrels through, too close for comfort. It's a hair-raising near miss with the train. Talk about a heart pounder. A biker chick spots a massive log about to wreck her ride and day. She bolts like a champ, ditching her bike to dodge disaster just in time. Slow down and check your corners at the intersection. This hotspot's a wreck waiting to happen when drivers won't budge. A jaw-dropping video explodes online, capturing a wild moment for all to gasp at. Cameras roll at a thorny Texas rail crossing as chaos takes the spotlight. Cameras catch a raging fire sneaking up unnoticed, roasting innocent cars into a fiery disaster. A loose chunk of wood flies free, smashing a car window into a horrifying shower of glass. Sloppy cargo tying turns a routine drive into pure mayhem. A dash cam nails the moment a train car jumps the tracks. Edge of your seat insanity. A rogue tricycle cruises like a free spirit, driverless, and plows straight into a shop. It's like it's saying, not snack time yet. Chaos with a sense of humor. A lightning-fast reaction saves a biker's life, just in the nick of time. A suspect's car rams an unmarked police SUV, kicking off a destructive rampage. It obliterates a metal wheelchair ramp in the wild crash. The suspect's ride flips upside down on landing. What a dramatic finale. Looks like some cops got roughed up, but they're toughing it out. So what's up with these three armed robbers pulling off this crazy heist? We've nabbed three of them at 124 Wallace. Justice is hot on their trail. 5 units roll in. Stay cool, bro. We're rounding these guys up fast. A driver misjudges their car's size and the gap, sparking a regrettable crash. Luckily, slow speeds kept everyone safe. Subscribe for more tips to drive smarter. Happy birthday. Here's to thriving through the wildest days. Love you tons, spreading the good vibes in the heat of the action. Show this train some love. Smash that like button for the thrill. Hey kiddo, happy birthday to our awesome fans. Cheers to you all. A glitchy traffic light at the rail crossing is a recipe for trouble. Is anyone in that car? What in the world is that guy up to? It smashes a barbershop wall and a strip mall. Chaos doesn't care where it lands. The car pulls up just as Mother Nature unleashes her fury. Rocks tumble down the mountain, but the driver escapes unscathed. This car is either trying to climb a tree or busting out some weird dance moves. What a sight! They've got just seconds to snatch their stuff before it's too late. Cops have the license plate. Justice is locked and loaded. From December 1st to 21st, the insanity just keeps stacking up. This bus is done with city life and takes a refreshing river plunge. A splash in the river. Sometimes you gotta ditch the grind. Subscribe and dive into more epic clips below. Keep the action alive on your phone. One distraction at the wheel can spark injury, or even worse, in a flash. What just zoomed by? Is that car auditioning for a superhero gig or what? Holy cow, what a disaster. A brutal SUV crash stalls out, leaving the scene in total shock. We always push through. 2, 2, 3. The Teenage Mutant Crew's got this. Happy birthday, Hung. Here's to epic wins and epic spins. That's a wrap on this insane roller coaster of wrecks and wild escapes. From flipped buses to heroic dashes, we've seen it all. Hit subscribe for more heart-pumping action, share your craziest road tales below, and stay safe out there. Catch you next time for another thrilling spin through the chaos.